Good morning! Day 2 here in Boracay. And ang aming gagawin ay photoshoot ni Kuya Matma. Good morning, Matma. Sleepy po ang bebe. So, ang aming photoshoot ay 7 o'clock. So, lalabas na kami. Dito lang kami sa may tapat ng hotel namin.
Ay, gusto ko suli.
Oh, pogi!
I was down in a town in LA, trying to override what I couldn't erase. But you always come back, you know it comes natural. Must be something I could do, now say your name. 'Cause I only miss you when you are gone. I'll do move on. I always tell myself it's time for someone new. Then I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again. I saw a silhouette and wish that it was you. Hope that I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again. I see your face again.
Ah, lamig ng water sa beach.
Basa.
Palit na lang tayo mamaya pagkatapos. Wow! Kuya Ma'am!
Naligo na ang kuya after photoshoot. Mati din! Oh, don't throw it in your face, ah! Ouchie sa eyes. Oh, wow! Oh, wow! Kuya! Kuya Mab! Kuya Mab!
Happy? Are you happy?
A few moments later.
Okay, so after photoshoot, punta na tayo ng buffet breakfast. Happy ka, kuya? Eat na tayo para dami tayo energy sa swimming. Beep, beep. Beep, beep. Cute there na ang bebe and kuya.
Pinara ko.
Oh, ganyan. Tiger look yan. Breakfast time. So, meron tayo ditong yang chow, na fried rice, scrambled egg. We have stir-fry egg noodles. Tapos, Chinese-style spicy beef with eggplant. Daming choices dito, guys. Ayan, merong chicken, we have sausage, fish fingers. Tapos dito, merong mga congee and arroz caldo. Ang favorite natin, tuyo. Ayan, tapos, crispy pork belly. Kuha tayo. Ito, bread section. Tapos meron tayo dito noodle station. Yan. Tsaka mga dim sum. Thank you! Tapos, meron tayong mga fresh fruits. So, kuha tayo watermelon kasi favorite ni Kuya to. Tapos, papaya. And pineapple. Wow! Hungry na bebe love ko. Yummy! Wow! Sarap kain ng matmat! O, Kuya Iggy! Breakfast na! Yay! Done na kami mag-eat breakfast. Ang ganda talaga dito sa Mandarin. Kaya umulit kami talaga dito. Kasi iba din yung ambience. Ganda. So, balik muna tayo sa room. Hello! Supunta na kami ng beachfront! Hello! Excited na ang kuya ko. So, matmat din. Okay! Punta na kami ng beachfront. Doon naman kami tatambay.
I'm excited!
Happy yung kuya?
Yes!
Yes! Wow! Papogi!
Did you want glasses?
Go glasses!
Did you want some glasses? Glasses.
Okay, go. Let's go!
You're around. I don't in escape, breathe.
Nakairam kami ng banig sa Mandarin. Yay!
Tapos,
O, di ba chill-chill lang?
Pagpalilim na kuya, pwede tayo swimming, di ba? Ayos.
Ayos! O, di ba chill-chill lang tayo? Hi! Chilling by the beach. Nakatuwa, happy si kuya.
Tatigit ako ng ano.
Water ko ako, water ako.
Falling, you look away while I'm falling. You take your time while I'm calling. Oh, what a way to waste my time, but never mind, 'cause I'm all in. I knew from the start I was all in, with the hard part is trying to say it. Oh, what a way to break your heart, but whatever, 'cause I know it doesn't matter, 'cause you never cared, but I still get anxious when I see you near.
Hello! Punta kami ng Banana Mama sa may Detail pa. Dito daw yun. Sabi ni kuya, dire-diretso lang daw to. Yay! Dito na tayo. Dito Papa. Yeah, malapit lang daw sa Andox. So, ito na yung Andox. Hey! There! Banana Mama! Opo, isang mango, isang banana.
Banana.
lunch na rin tayo guys dito sa King Sarap. Dito lang din sa Di Talipapa. So, ito yung order namin. Tempura, kasi gusto ni Kuya. Tapos, sinigang para sa baon ni Matt. And inasal. Kain tayo!
Sabaw ko yan. Sabaw? Gusto namin na sabaw.
Hello? Kita mo, may bago yung na-share.
Kain na si Matt.
Good afternoon, Matmat.
Good morning. Good morning.
Kuya, galing mo. Ang dami na kain ni Kuya. Naubos niya yung food ko.
Very good, Kuya.
Good job, Kuya.
Ma, good morning.
Okay, so nag-iikot lang kami dito sa Di Talipapa and meron din pala dito mga souvenir shop. Ayan, tulad niyan, may mga t-shirts. Yung iba lang, sarado pa. Siguro mamaya pa sila mag-open. Ayan. Tapos merong mga jewelries, earrings, bags, wallets. Yan. Hanap kami na pwedeng mabilhan. Ikot lang kami.
But your parents came in the cul-de-sac, leaned back in a leather-clad seat, pack of spirits in your Prada bag. Suburban summer 17 was a roller coaster ride, a manic pixie.
While waiting, oh, very good.
Ouch.
T-shirt?
Wow! Wow!
Yung tote bag natin. Bag.
Sorted mo na.
A few moments later.
Try din natin tong ice flakes. Binili natin yung mango flavor.
Mango!
Wow! Cute! Cute.
Ay, nahulog! Again, masarap siya. Yung yellow niya lambot. Creamy yung yellow.
Sarap ko yan ah. Hey, we're back at the ocean! Tapos na kami sa swimming pool dito naman ulit kasi antayin namin yung sunset! Ate! Oh no! Oh no!
I was down in a town in LA, trying to override what I couldn't erase. But you always come back, you know it comes natural. Must be something I could do now, say your name. 'Cause I only miss you when you are gone. How do I move on? I always tell myself it's time for someone new, but I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again. I saw a silhouette and wish that it was you. Hope that I see your face again, oh no, I see your face again.
Yan! Gumagawa kami ng swimming pool! Yun yung tower namin para makapasok yung water dito. Tapos mapupuno dito, tapos pupunta doon. Go, Mati! Kami tagagawa, si Matmat ang taga sira. Ang ganda ng sunset, guys. Oh. Ganda. Kuya. Tagal ng water natin. Yun na. Whee! Katuwa, nag-enjoy yung mat-mat. Yan si Kuya. Yan si Kuya, oh. Oh, talagang enjoy na enjoy ni Kuya dito sa Boracay. Si Matmat. Baka si Matmat na ang susunod na mag-request na bumalik ng Boracay. Can you say Boracay? Sans, can you say Boracay? Boracay. Palubog na araw, biglang dami tao. Kanina wala masyado, ngayon ang dami na. Nagsilabasan na silang lahat. Yan, sila Kuya. Mati! Oh, yun na yung water! Water, Mati! Oh no!
Be my bunny, baby. Can be your Clyde if you want me.
1, 2, 3, go! Alo, hindi makatayo, Daddy!
Lalabas na.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Help, Daddy, help! Oh no! Oh no! Let's help Daddy! Whee! Wow! High five! High five, Kuya! High five! Galing! Hello! Makatapos ko lang maligo. For tonight's dinner, mag-2 seasons tayo. So, let's go!
Girl, you're so hot like summer, and I don't wanna want that lover. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you. Girl, you're so hot like summer, you're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels when you do, no one can do it like you. No one can do it like you.
Tada! Nakauwi na kami ng hotel from 2 seasons. Wala, sleepy na ang bebe ko, oh. Good night! See you tomorrow! Tomorrow is super chill day lang. Wala kaming kahit anong itinerary. So, talagang chill lang kami tomorrow kasi last full day na namin tomorrow.
Kami po nga tayo swimming.
Yes! Opo, buong araw tayo swimming. Yan lang! Good night! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. See you next time.
Wow.
I was down in a ton of LA, trying to override what I couldn't erase. But you always come back, you know, it comes natural. Must be something I could do, now say your name.